Students, we are now on outcome number 5, which says use the simply functions of the Excel. So simple functions of Excel, for instance, we use the formulas to calculate the deduction and the net salary. So we call those one formulas. So we have for this you can also use functions. For instance, I'll quickly calculate the deductions, the net salary using the function instead of a formula. So formulas, for instance, I'll use a sum formula. I'll select it and then uh, I'll delete this, or instead of selecting, okay, let me continue actually. B7, I want to calculate B7, B7, and then from the keyboard you press minus and then the deduction, which is C7 minus C7. So you will still get the same amount. So, and then you can do autofill. If you don't want to come and select the formulas here and you know them, so you can just simply equals to sum, and then from there you can click sum here, the one that you want to use, and then from there B7 minus C7, then you press enter, you still gonna get the same thing. So these are the formulas, these are the functions. Then it's depending on you or the questions. If you are writing a test, if they say use the formula and you use the functions, then your answer is wrong. So you need to follow the instructions. So for now, I will use the formula to calculate the average gross. My answer, I want the answer to appear here. Average gross here, we want to know the average gross of this uh, 5 new employees. So I'll come here and then select average, and then it's I want B7, which is this one. I want B7, and then, or okay, let me do this. Let me I'll select average, and then after selecting average, you can highlight the whole information that you want to use instead of typing B7 and then dotted B11. So you can highlight uh, the area or all the cells that you want to include them in your function. And after that, press enter. That is the quickest and the easiest method, by just highlighting. And then and now I want the highest deduction, highest. So that was average. Now I want the highest. So I'll come here, highest. You can say highest or maximum deduction. So we use the function max because we want the highest deduction. You can highlight them here, then or type C7 up to C11. Then we want lowest net salary. Net salary is this one. We want the lowest, so we are going to, I said we can simply say equals to, and then mini, we're using mini, and then we can double click, and then after double clicking, we want D7 up to D11, up to D11. So you see here the information is highlighted immediately after when you type D11, then you press enter. That's all. So now we want the number of employees, number of how many employees. Yeah, we can see it's 5, but we don't want you to type 5 there. For instance, if you type 5 here, when we mark your script, we click here, it shows that you have typed 5. But when we click here, it shows that you use the formula. If you click here, it shows that you use the formula. Here, it shows that you use the function. So be careful. Don't type assignments and submit and think you will get marks. No, no, it doesn't work like that. So the function, the role or the function of Excel is to make a job easier for you instead of using calculator and what. Because if you type 5 here, tomorrow when you add another sixth employee, then it means you must come and type 6 here. If you forget to type 6 and you submit your report as it is, it's a wrong report. So use the formula. So the last one, we wanted the number of employees here. So I'll come here. Let me remove this 5. Then I'll come here. We're using a count, but it says count number. If we click here, it says count number. We want this area, enter. We getting 0 because of what it says count number there. So you have to put the A here to become counter for count alphabetics. Then you press enter. Then you'll get the correct answer as 5. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all about the functions. Please go to your extra study material and practice how to use those functions. But for this course, we only use the functions that I have showed you. Only this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 functions. I mean, 5 functions and nothing more. Thank you very much.